Hi, my name is Tiller from Micromatic Machine Tools Private Limited. I am takes care of entire pan-India die mold business. Here we displayed our highest popular model of our 850V machine. This particular model is specially for a die mold and aerospace application. We have some of the dedicated model. It will be suitable for your die mold and tool room and die casting application. The basic model, it starts from our 540V. Then we have the model with the 740V, and this is our 850V model. And we have some of the high-end models like 1060V and 1260V and 1580V. These all the particular models will be suitable for your die mold and aerospace applications. Purposely we displayed here our 850V machine for our plastic injection mold manufacturing application. The machine, the specification wise, the table size, it's almost 1 meter by 500, and the travel wise, x-axis is around 800 mm, y-axis is 500 mm, and z-axis will come around 500 mm. And we are offering this particular model with BT40, and we can offer BPT40 spindles, and we can offer with HSK A63 spindles. And the minimum RPM we can give around 8000 RPM direct drive spindles, or 10,000 RPM and 12,000 RPM, up to 15,000 RPM we can offer in this particular specific model. And the advantage, the biggest advantage, this particular model, we are offering the direct driven technologies, and the customer can use this particular model especially for plastic injection molds, die casting molds, and hot forging dies, and any other tool room activities. So all the customers we displayed and we supplied many number of machines to across India, pan India. Many customers they are using this particular specific model, and this machine is called as a high speed and high productivity machines. So normally in any customer places, suppose if you are going to use this particular model, phenomenally you can reduce your production cycle time. So normally your program time versus actual cycle time, it is very important. But this particular model, you will get a better cycle time, you will get a good accuracy, good quality on this particular specific model. So apart from in die mold application, we have some of the specific applications. So if you are going to make any plastic injection molds, sometimes power failure happen. This particular machines automatically it will identify and it will retract a minimum 0.5 mm. So your component, your cavity, it will be safe conditions. And we have one of the important options available. So any power failure happen, automatically the program restart function is available. So you cannot able to edit the program by manually. The system itself automatically it will identify and it will restart the program from the particular point. So this is our specific application oriented machines for our die mold applications. And apart from in Tamil Nadu, I think we are going to open our biggest tech center. So I would like to invite all our customers, please come and visit our tech center at all major cities. It is very much useful to you, and you can experience our machines.